As we both are meeting for the first time, so let's start this conversation with our introduction. So I would like to know more about you so I can talk further, I can talk more. So would you like to start first?
My name is Ashish Pathak and I live in Singrauli, Madhya Pradesh. Right now I am in Niti Ayog State ABF Fellow. And what about you?
Uh, First of all, it was a nice introduction of yours, and first of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So, as you already know, my name is Vikas. I'm born and brought up in Indore city, which is the number one cleanest city of India. As far as my qualification is concerned, I've done my graduation in BCom. Coming to my
Okay, okay.
professional experience, so I have 5 years of experience in the BPO industry as a customer care executive. Coming to my hobbies, so I love researching about stock market and I love poetry. That's all about me. Thank you.
You like stock market and right now in which commodity or which sector you invest like F&O or
Okay,
investing?
sure. I would like to tell you first that currently I'm not trading at all, but I'm giving advice to my clients. On the other side, I've been working on stock market for last 5 years. I've been learning about it. Earlier, I would trade when I didn't have any knowledge about it. So when I lost my money at the time, after that I started learning about it. And once I learned about stock market, at the moment I made some profit, but I couldn't recover the loss that I lost it. I mean lost it, and that at the time when I didn't have any knowledge, because at the time I had a lot of fun, and now I am focusing
Could
on
I ask,
short
could
selling.
I ask to you how much amount you have lost?
Yeah, it's like
Could I ask to you how much amount you have lost?
yeah, I have only lost 1.5 lakh rupees, but that is very small
Okay,
amount.
this is not much more. This is not much more.
Yeah, that's not a big amount. Yeah, that's okay. I can make it in 4 to 5 trades, so that's not a big deal for me. But yeah, but at the time I
Hmm.
lost it, so it was a big amount for me, because now like I've know about the market, so I know it's a very small. Like it's a kind of nothing for me, to be honest. Like yeah, if I want, I can make it in one trade, so that's not big deal.
Okay.
But so in the future my plan is to make people financially independent through stock market, through educational content. So I'm focusing on it. On the other side, I'm also working on English language, and
How
this
you
is
will how you have any plan about how you will financially in the sense how you make people to financially establish?
yeah. So yeah, I have a plan for that, and that's why I've been working for 5 years in the stock market. I had few strategies that I wanted to back test, because it's been more than 1 year. I have not been working in my organization in any company, because I left my last organization 1.5 years ago, like around 1 year ago, in order to learn, in order to focus on stock market. So at the time I had two strategies that I wanted to backtest in live market, but as I was working in the company, so I was not able to manage my time. I was not able to backtest. So since 1 year I have been working on it, and I got succeed in one of the strategy that I had, and the second strategy that I have still been working on it. Let's see what happens in the future. Yeah, so like I will start soon. Like within 1 year, I will try to launch my course.
I think you have a lot of knowledge about share market.
Pardon?
And you are right. I think you have a lot of knowledge about share market. Could you want to share some strategies which will be benefit for me?
Uh, Actually, I have few strategies in buying, but that's it's not teachable. Voice on voice, but like I follow few rules. That is. The basic rule I would say. The I hope if you have any knowledge about price action, I don't know whether you have any knowledge or not.
Price.
So yeah, I follow price action.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Apart from I do follow some technical part. I don't follow
Which
an
technical part?
technical part. It means that it could be few indicators like the simple one RSI. I hope you heard about it. Okay, got it. So I was talking about the rules of stock
Hmm.
market that I follow. The first rule is that uh, price action that I follow. The second one is like we can say support and resistance.
Price.
We can follow the one daily
Price
chart.
action support. Daily chart.
Yeah, exactly. We can find out easily on daily chart. Apart from that, I use one of the famous indicator that is RSI. So I follow the simple rule, and the fourth one is the
Volume.
volume chart. We can easily find out in indicators. Yeah, so these are the few things that I follow on chart. Apart from that, I only if I want to see the long term, so I look for one day chart, and if I want to trade scalping, so I look for 3 minute chart that I follow. And on the other side, I also follow data like the writers data that is available on NSE website as well. So it's a free of course. We can find out.
Hmm.
So like by it updates after 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, so we can at least predict what's happening, what where the writers are making position. So we can at least find out. And by the way, as I already told you that I'm not focusing on buying. I I only focus on selling. Selling is something that give me peace. I can do it with relaxation. I don't need to be panic if market is moving 100 points within 1 minute. I don't need to I don't see any pain in my strategies because I go with hedge. So I see the minor loss, not big not unlimited loss. So that's not a problem for me.
Okay, okay. I think you have a lot of knowledge about that share market, and I don't know anything your strategy, whatever you have told today.
Yeah,
I
actually,
also want to learn all those things.
yeah, the reason because I lost money in market and through my failure I've learned a lot of things because
Uh,
once you
I have also lost money. I have also lost money, but till now I didn't learn anything from that.
okay, so when did you lose your money?
At the time of, um, I think March
This year.
this year.
So it's
Before
new.
March, you could say new.
Yeah, it's a new pen for you. And after losing the money, what did you do? To be honest.
Right now I'm trying to learn something, but it is not understandable for me.
Okay, got it.
I
And
think I think it take too much time to understand anything, strategies or candle charts, all these things.
Yeah, I do agree with you. Like, it's not a cup of tea to understand the market because initially I was doing trading without having any knowledge. I just randomly was buying. Like, if I'm seeing any red candle, I'm going for sell. If I'm seeing any green candle, I'm looking for buy. So I would do that kind of trading. So that was a kind of stupid kind of trading that I would do. And now like I got to know, yeah, that's not something we are made for that. If you want to become a trader, so to be honest, like you will have to sit at a chair and watching the chart whole day, like at 9:15 as market start in 3:30. If you are following the nifty 50 on nifty, because I follow only nifty 50, not any other index, like because I don't like bank nifty. I only like nifty 50.
Bank
Nifty 50.
Nifty 50, bank 50 I also like.
Okay, bank nifty is kind of index which gives a lot of like volatility. I mean to say, like it's not a kind of
Give
sustainable index. It gives a huge pain if we are wrong at the trade. In the trade, then we will see huge loss. But in Nifty it doesn't happen because Nifty barely trend of 200 or 300 points, not more than that. Very rarely like it trend more than
Hmm.
that. So I think Nifty is safe compared to Bank Nifty. Okay, so I just want to know how much did you lose in the market? If you are comfortable sharing with me.
2.7.
2.7. Okay, got it. Like it's a big amount.
2.7
It's
lakh.
big amount, by the way, according to me.
In, in one trade. In
Sorry, in one trade. Am I
one
audible?
trade. I was trying to. I was trying to cover,
No, no. Just I just
but
want to need
at the time of
clarification. I just need to clarification that did you lose that 2.7 thousand rupees in one trade or multiple trades?
same trade, I have taken, put day by day money I put there
Day by day, like
in within a 3 days.
okay within.
First I invested in 1.2. After that, I want to cover this loss, add more money. After
Okay,
that, add more money. And finally, I have lost all this money.
so did you
I think that
lose?
today it will go. Today it will go.
Yeah, carry on.
Last time I only recover 500 rupees. 2.72. I think at least I have to quit. But after some time, I will decide that I think I have to learn. After that, I will do
Okay,
trading
so like according to you, like you lose this much amount within 3 days in trading, right?
within season.
Or did you
Okay,
lose in
right.
Bank Nifty?
If, at the time of when it's come India, निफ्टी आए इसको क्या बोलते हैं
Bank Nifty, Sensex,
वित्त सेंस निफ्टी निफ्टी
Nifty 50.
निफ्टी 50.
Okay, got it. So I just
At
skipped
the
that.
time of budget, I have lost. At the time of budget,
Oh my god.
I was at the time of budget. Somebody told me that I think you should take call because this budget is too much. 12 lakh rebate to sell this person. I
Okay.
definitely it will grow up and Nifty will boom. Then I put a lot of amount in Nifty call, but it's got dramatically put side.
Okay. Like I just would like to suggest you something. I would like to give you some advice. By the way, first of all, you have to keep away
I
from
want
the
to recover
market.
my 70,000. Then I okay, okay, pardon.
Yeah, I'm telling you that like what you have to do right now. You are in loss right now and you don't have any knowledge. You have to first what you have to do. You have to keep away from the market for couple of months. Like uh, if you are mentally strong, then it's okay. If you are not strong mentally, then you will have to away from the market for couple of months, 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, and then again come back. But don't invest. Come again in the market with zero money, and then you have to start learning about the market. Don't look for that because whatever you lose in the market you can make in a day. That's not a big deal. But if you learn it properly, give at least 1 or 2 years. To be honest, like if you give 1 or 2 years in the market, then you will see the result in the future. Because I'm too much confident. Like I can proudly say that in the future, like I'll become a kind of like if you'll laugh at me, but I'll become a karodpati and kind of thing. I believe in me because I can see the vision that I'm seeing in the chart.
How did
Every
you
day I
find
do
that?
it.
How did you got that this kind of belief in you?
Yeah, because since 1 year I have doing nothing, like not working in at all. I was working in a company where I was getting good salary according to me, what I did in education. So according to the education, I was getting good salary, but I left that, a comfortable job, and started learning about stock market with zero money. I just, for last 1 year, I've been just watching market, nothing.
where did you learn all those things, bro?
I just
Where did you
learned.
learn all these things?
I learned online, bro. I just learned
From
online.
where? Online.
Online, like
Could you
just what
share the source?
I'm telling. Online means like
Source
I would sit, at my chair and would watch the market and see. I would,
was the
yeah. I don't follow anyone,
only on
like,
the basis of live market is
yeah, live
live
market.
market.
Yeah, live market. I would sit at the chair on the live market. I would watch market. I Because I follow, to be honest, like I follow many people, but they are kind of fake. To be honest, I don't think they. You will see many channel on YouTube, like, but when it
Okay.
comes to real trading, it's they are not gonna help you out. You will have to learn on your own. Like, you will have to give a lot
I
of time
think
to the market.
when you will take any trade, I
Yes.
think when you will take any kind of trade, then how you will decide that which strategy you should follow. I think
Okay.
this much volatility, and you
Got it.
have not this much time to identify that which stock or which your trade will be go up or go down,
Okay. Got it.
because your strategy it will take time 2 to 5 to 10 minutes, and that market will go up or go down.
Exactly.
Then how you will use your
Okay, so like as I have a
okay.
strategy, as I will told you that I follow few rules. The first is price action. The second is support and like demand zone. Supply
I,
and demand zone. And the third one is RSI. I check RSI. And the fourth one is data that I see. And I am a kind of short seller. I'm not a kind of buyer. And I don't know whether you do have any idea about short selling or not. Do you have any idea what is short selling?
a little bit I have knowledge about that.
Okay, let me explain you. Suppose market is trending right now 24,000. Okay, 25,000. 20. Okay, consider
25,000.
25,000. Okay, and
Okay,
now
okay,
now
25,000.
now what I'm gonna do, I am predicting according to my strategy. My strategy is saying that market will fall down from 2000, I mean 25,000. Okay, at the current price,
So,
current spot.
25,000 to 24,800.
No, 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 I am not predicting how much will it fall. I'm just predicting market will fall from here. I'm just predicting only 50 points, or like 40 to 50 points, not more than that. Got it? Got it?
Only 50 points.
Only 55. I don't go for 100 points, 200 points, not like that. Only 40, or between 40 to 50 points. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, now I'm in the spot price at 25,000, and what I'm gonna do, I will sell a call of 25,100. Got it?
Okay.
And for
Okay.
hedging, for safe
Right
side,
now,
and
market
I'll
is
do hedge.
25,000.
First, let
Acha,
me explain.
hedging.
First, let me explain.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so market is trending at 25,000, and my prediction is that market will fall down at least 40
And you have
points.
sold. Okay,
Okay, and now I will sell call
okay.
option of 25,100. 100 points above, I will sell call
25.
100 points above. Okay, and if my prediction, my conviction, because there are two types of prediction. The first one is surety prediction, that yeah, I am 100% confident, and the second prediction is that something I am not 100% confidence, but 70 to 80%. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, when I am 100% confident, then I will sell 25,100 call, and 25,300 Call option I will buy. Got it?
Got it.
And I will wait for my target and stop loss. If market will go up 50 points, I will exit my strategy, and if market will fall 40 to 50 points, I'll book my profit.
Okay, okay.
And that I'm gonna do in very short period of time, within 1 hour. I'm not gonna hold that trade because I have gone with hedging, because if market will stay at the same level, I will make some profit. If market will go from that level above, I mean, if market will go against me, then I won't lose a lot of money, because I also bought a call that will protect me in terms of losses. Okay, if market will fall, then I'll make money. So in two condition I'm gonna make money, and in one condition I'll lose minor money, not unlimited money. So that would be a kind of calculated loss. Got it?
Got it, but I'm getting 30% because I don't know why are you selling 25,300, why you are buying 5,100.
Okay, so do you have any idea
Very
about hedging?
that
Do you have any idea about hedging? uh,
don't
your voice is breaking right now.